Now this class is about the staircase wiring. When one lamp is controlled in two different places, it is called the staircase wiring. This circuit is implemented in staircase, bedroom, bathrooms, etc. The accessories required are conduit, two three-way junction box, elbow or bent, flush type fuse unit, and two SPDT switches. Now how you identify the SPDT switch is that there would be a red dot on the top, and this switch would have three terminals where the center point is a common point and the other 2 points would be independent terminals. Then there is a straight baton holder, a bulb, a round block, saddles, screws, and a 1 mm square PVC wires of required length. Now make a structure as per your layout, that is using two three-way junction box and one elbow. Then the structure is fixed on the workboard using screws. To insert your screw, a starting hole should be made using the poker. Then the next step is to pull the wires. So here the first wire is the black wire, that's the neutral wire, which is connected to the lamp. Then the next wire is the phase wire, that is to be connected to the common point of the first switch. Additionally, two yellow wires should also be connected. So this wire is to connect together the independent points of the wires as per the condition. Next comes another red wire that connects the lamp and the common point of the second SPDT switch. To make it more clear, the black wire is directly connected to the lamp. The phase wire or the red wire first goes to the fuse unit, and from there it goes to the common point of the first switch. The control wire comes from the lamp to the common point of the second switch. Both the independent points of the wires have been joined by these yellow wires. The circuit becomes complete by fixing all these accessories, and the circuit is prone to a test by fixing all of it. It is tested by applying 240 volt single phase AC supply. The final result is that when both switches are in the up direction or in the down direction, the lamp is off, while when both switches are in the alternate direction, the lamp lights.